Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Protect My LP code to your website and to protect yourself against landing page thieves and rippers. So the first thing you're going to need to do is navigate to the landing page, and um, this is just where you upload, or not really upload, but add the sites that you own. This is sort of like a grouping feature, just a way to see who has stolen which landing page from you. So we're going to click on Add Landing Page, and we're just going to name it test123, add the domain, and if you have your landing pages on different pages, just go ahead and put where the main landing page is. Lastly, you can add a category. Um, this is again just kind of grouping things to help you later on. And then we'll go ahead and click Save. So my landing page was just added to the system, and here it is, test123. All right, so once you find your landing page, you look on the right side where there's a button that says Get Code. If we click on that, you'll see this pop-up comes up, and this basically displays um, the code in 4 different ways. They all do the same exact thing. Um, One just kind of looks a little bit more confusing to the end user than the other. Um, so there's different use cases for different codes. You can just use the first one, and I'll go over what the different use cases of the different codes in a later video. All right, so I'm going to take this whole entire code that we're telling you to paste into your website, and I'm going to copy that. Um, so we have the code that we need to put on our website, and now we need to put it on our website. All right, so in this example, I have this website. It's just kind of like a claim some money type of landing page. If someone ripped this right now from me, I would have no idea, and I would be losing money, and I can't take that lost money back. So I want to put the code on it. So there are two ways to go about doing this. The first way is the most basic way, and you just paste that JavaScript code directly on the landing page file. So in my example, that is index.php. All right, so if you open up your text editor, you go to the index file of your landing page, whatever file you want to protect, scroll to the bottom, and you can just add a script tag. And paste that code into your website. So if I click save and update the file on my server, I am now protecting my landing page right now. Um, if I view source and scroll to the bottom, I see you can't see because my screen doesn't go that far down. But yeah, here, let's see if I can do this. All right, so if I scroll down the bottom of the page, you see my protect my LP code, and it's there, and it's protecting the user. But for a somewhat advanced user who kind of is looking for weird things but doesn't really know what to look for, they will, when ripping your page or stealing your website, they will see this, and it will look weird to them, and they might delete it from the page and then upload it to their server. So there's a second way, kind of a more advanced way to hide the Protect My LP code into your website, and that's what I'm going to show to you next. So if we look at my landing page, it's just basic HTML, and this is basic stuff. I'm hopefully assuming you know this, but if you don't, I'm kind of going to talk a little bit about it. But yeah, there's basically CSS files and JavaScript files, and then the HTML. So at the top of my website, I have a JavaScript file called js2.js. If I click on it, this is just a bunch of JavaScript that my landing page needs to run. So the smart thing to do when using this Protect My LP system is to, instead of hiding the Protect My LP code just in plain sight on the landing page file itself, what you should do is you should find a required JavaScript file, so a file that's being linked to your website, that is used by your landing page, in this example js2.js, and you want to paste the JavaScript, Protect My LP JavaScript into this file. So that's what I will do right now. I will go back to my server and I will edit js2.js with my text editor. Um, and I am just going to paste it at the bottom. Now, this is another thing that you could do that is better. Pasting it right at the bottom is kind of the first place that I would look to see if there's any hidden code. So instead of pasting it at the bottom, find a good part in the middle to paste your code, but you need to really know JavaScript and not break your site, because if I pasted it, in the middle here, I'd probably break it. So you need to know a little bit about JavaScript to not paste at the bottom, but the easiest way to do it is just put it as the last thing on the JavaScript file. So yeah, again, save that to your server, upload it, and now you are protecting your website. So if I go back to Protect My LP and I go to Thieves and I go to the most recent thief, there I am. This is me. I just stole this website, and this is my IP. I'll block it off though, sorry. But yeah, just proving that the system works, we now can, see which links this was being stolen on. This is the example domain that I was just using. I can see stats about this individual thief, and then most importantly, when it comes down to I want to take traffic back from this thief, that is the take back setting button right here, and you can do whatever you want to this thief. And I'll talk more in detail about the thief settings in another video. So that's pretty much it. That's how you add the Protect My LP code to your websites and protect yourself against landing page thieves.